now let's go to CapCut app, new project. Let's choose one video. When you choose already the video, adjust the clip to 4.6 seconds. After that, add 7 photos. So now let's start from the first photo. Go to Style and click 3D Zoom. You should apply it to all photos. After that, each photo, let's adjust it to 0.9 seconds. So after we adjust all clips, we will go to audio to extract the sounds that we got on TikTok. So after that, just cut the extra audio. Then save. After that, guys, you can share it now to your TikTok and other social medias.